Okay, so the next question is, I want to go ahead and keep these weeds under control because I'm going to go ahead and rototill this stuff, and then the grass and the crabgrass is going to come up, the weeds are going to come up, and I really don't want to spend the time, weeding all this. Well, if you're going to use a rototiller and you want to go ahead and keep this ground aerial, bring up some grinding of the dirt so you can put some air into the dirt and make it so that these plants are healthy. You don't want to use those rolled out mats, those black mats or whatever color they are that you're going to use to cover up the ground so the weeds can't grow through it, and maybe slice it to put your plants into it. Because by doing so, yes, you will keep the weeds under it except for around the plants, and now you can't rototill. So now when this becomes solid dirt, it's done. You can't bring any air into the soil at all, which is very important in your garden. Rototilling brings in a necessity. So this is not easy. Gardening is not easy. Yes, you can use those mats. I don't recommend it. Once you've tried it, you won't do it again.